All right, fellas and fellas, welcome back to the Hot Damn Racing Team. And if you're new here, welcome. All right, so this is my little DA chart. I was kind of going over it in previous videos. All right, and I skipped the 9.4 run. We were talking about me skipping, and I moved on to the 9.25 run. All right, the DA wasn't that great. Humidity was up, temperature was still kind of up there, so I went ahead and just pumped a nitrous, and there was a few people in the stands, so I wanted to kind of put on a little show, I guess you could say. And I just wanted to see how freaking fast it was with the nitrous and a torque converter now, basically, and whatnot. All right, so the truck ran on 925, the fastest it's ever ran, and by quite a bit, which is pretty good. All right, I'm happy with that. I'll show you my mile per hour right now. I think this next run right here, I'll go ahead and show you my times. It is what it is, whatever. I have to deal with the high density altitude, you know, crap, and the internet bull doo-doo, if you know what I mean. All right, so I'm gonna do this DA study deal all the way up until, like, you know what, I probably won't stop it for a little while now because I got to do the cam too when that gets installed. But anyway, truck's as fast as it's ever been. You know, it holds its own, does what it does. All right, I did this last run. It's with the Demon Motorsports tune on 100 shot of nitrous, and it was basically like 100 shot right out the hole. It was crazy. I was really hoping something wasn't gonna break. I could kind of feel all four wheels gripping at the same time. Pumped it in 4-wheel drive, lock. All right, and my transfer case, you guys gotta be careful with pumping in 4-wheel drive, or, you know, regardless if it's nitrous, naturally aspirated, whatever, you gotta be careful with what type of transfer case you got. I believe the one that I have, all right, putting in 4-wheel drive lock and giving it in a pump, all right, isn't too big of a deal versus I think the ones with 4-wheel drive auto. I know you have a lock on there, but I think there's still some kind of an issue, all right, with it still not locking up right away. All right, a 3K Edge Racing torque converter. All right, not 3K. It's set to lock at 3,000 RPM. Edge Racing torque converter, Veraram intake, Mohs Performance ported throttle body. My nitrous heater didn't work, so what I did, I actually closed the doors. I got out of the truck, closed the doors, turned the heater on. And it didn't work that well. Pressure kind of got up a little bit, but it didn't get out of the, what's that, yellow or whatever on my indicator. It didn't get to proper pressure, but I still hit it. I was like, you know what, F it, send it. You know what I mean? And I was 0.8 seconds faster than the last time I ran, all right, without nitrous, which is it's pretty decent. I was thinking 0.7 was what I was getting, so I don't know, maybe I am still getting 0.7 because the DA was better. So maybe I am still getting 0.7, but from the last time, it was 0.8 seconds faster. So now I kind of got a naturally aspirated run in high DA, a nitrous run in high DA. And then this day here, I'm gonna race a full bolt-on 8-speed. It's cammed. It has a J Green cam, I guess. And a J Green tune, it's 4x4, it's a Rebel. So I'm gonna go ahead and run with this guy. It's all for fun. I'm gonna run and see how it does against a modified truck. This day, I'll try to do the naturally aspirated nitrous. I want to try to do nitrous 2 times on this day right here. All right, so on this run it was a Demon Motorsports tune. On this run it was a Hemi Fever tune. But I also have a Hemi Fever nitrous tune. So I want to run Demon Motorsports nitrous tune, Hemi Fever nitrous tune, and then the Hemi Fever street naturally aspirated tune. So kind of like 3 tunes I'll be switching there. I'm hoping the DA is there. It wasn't really there. Wasn't what I wanted, but maybe there was an effect because I'm thinking 0.7 is more correct, but maybe 8 because I never pumped it with the torque converter yet. So that was a pump with the torque converter. You guys just, you know what, I'll do it. It is what it is. I'll put the times right here. There's my mile per hour right now, quarter mile. All right, so it'll be, it is what it is. So I'll give you the times on this day right here, 10:16, when my truck's running. Nothing special, but it does hold its own. All right, definitely again, stock, mildly modified. We'll say Ram trucks for relevancy right now. And on the 16th, we'll see what it does with, you know, something that's more heavily modified. It's not heavily modified, but it does have a cam in it. It is full bolt on. All right, so, and it is 8-speed. So all the other trucks I raced were 8-speed as well. So it is 8-speed, so we'll see what's up on that. And hopefully we can get the RT single cab out there. Is Jay Green tuned as well? Now, I don't say Jay Green like I'm trying to ha-ha any tuners, or, you know, that's not how it works. You see, I have multiple tunes, all right? You know, I'll tell you, all these guys are great. They'll make all your trucks fast. Jay Green, it just is what it is. Trucks are tuned by Jay Green. What do you want me to say? You know what I mean? It's, for, if anything, it's for relevancy. You know, Jay Green tunes fast trucks, so how fast is my truck compared to Jay Green, you know, on a relevancy level? It's nothing to do with nothing, all right? It's not even really a true to life, true break it down, apples to oranges comparison anyway, you know what I mean? But it's just still fun, nonetheless, all right, guys? Hot damn hell yeah. I'm gonna give you, here's a little video of the naturally aspirated pump, Hemi Fever, and then here's a nitrous pump from the Demon Motorsports tune. All right, sorry for dragging it on. I want to give you guys information, you know, and I kind of just having a hard time bundling it all together and trying to pack it out, you know. I want to let you know everything that I'm doing at the track, what I got going on. All right, so maybe that might help you. All right, hot damn. All right, so here's the two pumps, and we'll see what happens on the 16th. Hot damn, hell yeah.